5 reasons you want a dash camera in Vancouver. I'm Ben with Safe Drive Solutions, your dash cam specialists. If you're looking for dash cam information, please look down in our description where we have lots of links to tons of our popular videos. Now let's get to it. Here is 5 reasons why you want a dash camera in Vancouver. Number 1, population. Did you know there's approximately 662,000 people in Vancouver? For a piece of land that is 115 kilometers squared, that is approximately 5,756 people per square kilometer. That's a lot of people. Vancouver is not getting any bigger. All they can do is keep building upwards. Also keep in mind, that does not factor in all the people who live in rural areas that commute to Vancouver every day for work. Number 2, pedestrians. People travel around in many ways. Bikes, scooters, bus, and by foot. With so many pedestrians traveling everywhere, it is great to have a silent witness. I recently seen some videos of a cyclist dropping their bike on the ground and pretending they got hit by the car when they did not. Luckily, the driver had a dash camera to prove their innocence. One of my customers had someone jump on their hood and dent their fender in. ICBC, our government insurance, told my client that if the person was to come forward saying he hit them, there was nothing he could do because at that time, he did not have a dash camera. Number 3. Ever heard the saying, everyone is a bad driver on the road? Except me. Well, guess what? There's a channel on YouTube dedicated to Vancouver's worst drivers. With 18,000 subscribers, you may want to check out why people are opting for a dash camera. Number 4, tourism. After looking for some updated figures on tourism, we could only find 2017's information. More than 10.3 million people visited Vancouver that year. That is 15 people visiting for every one Vancouverite. So think about that. You're now going to have people traveling on the road that do not live here and may not be familiar with our speed limits, stop sign placements, traffic patterns, and well, you get the idea. Number 5, insurance. ICBC, which is our government car insurance, has adopted no-fault insurance. So if neither one of you will admit fault, you will split the accident 50-50 and your rates will go up. Don't get caught being blamed for a 50-50 accident when you were not at fault. A dash camera can help you prove innocence. My friend drove through a green light and was hit on the side by a lady who ran a red light. The lady insisted that he had ran a red and that she drove through a green. With no dash cam footage, the police officer was going to determine it a 50-50 collision. My friend logs into his dash camera, shows the footage to the police officer, where the police officer said, "Oh, you were going through a green light." He said, "Yes, I was, sir." And just like that, he was completely deemed not guilty of the accident. It was 100% the lady's fault for that car accident. Little things and little details is why you need a silent witness. Hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe. And if you do have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Cheers.